How to change a
voice in Premiere
Pro. Let's get into it.
For this demo, we're going to be using this audio. This is the recording of a voice we're going to change in Premiere Pro. Now to change this voice, we just need to head up to Effects, search for Pitch and drag Pitch Shifter onto our audio. Then come up into Effect Controls and click on Edit. This is going to bring up these settings. Now whenever you change the settings in here, it's always important to make sure you have Use Appropriate Default Settings enabled. This will give you a better quality. So let's play around with these presets. In here we have Angry Gerbil. This is going to make our voice sound high-pitched.
This is the recording of a voice we're going to change in Premiere Pro.
And we can go the opposite end of that spectrum and go to the Dark Lord for a deeper voice.
This is the recording of a voice we're going to change in Premiere Pro.
Now let's say, for example, if that is too intense for our project, we can also change this slider manually. Let's say if I only want a slightly angry gerbil. It is important to make sure we recheck this box, as it will uncheck. Now if we play this back,
this is the recording of a voice we're going to change in Premiere Pro.
You can also configure the sense and also the precision as well if you need to for your projects, but that's all there is to it.